Before beginning with editing our video, we are first going to stay organized and make a folder to put all of our content in our Google Drive. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that in your photography folder under Module 1, you are going to create a new folder. So click on New, or you can right-click, click on Folder, and title this folder Video Basics, and create. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going into my original photos folder, and I'm going to search for my content that I'm going to use for my video. So this right here is my video that I recorded that answered questions. And what I did was right-click on the video, and I'm going to move it into my new folder. So I got to go back and look for my Video Basics folder, and I'm going to go ahead and move that there. And now I'm going to search for my images that I chose for my video. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and take that one and follow the same process as far as right-clicking and moving it to the Video Basics folder. So what I'm going to try and do here, oh, I have more than one. I'm going to select all the images here. I'm going to right-click and move all of them to my Video Basics folder and click Move. So once again, if you don't know how to do that, what I ended up doing was clicking on an image, holding down on Shift and click on the last image that I needed, and then I right-click that, and then I went to move, and I moved it to my Video Basics folder. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check. I'm going to go back to my Module 1, and notice I do have my sound here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And notice I also, another way to select your content, you can drag the mouse over or your cursor over. So I'm going to just drag and drop it, and there we have it. So I'm going to double click on my Video Basics folder and what I have here. So the video of myself answering questions. I got a couple samples of audio that I'm going to use and some images that I'm going to apply to my video as well. Now that we have our content in our Video Basics folder in our Google Drive, what we are going to do is now download all of this content onto our computer. So I'm going to just click on my mouse and drag it over all of my content. I'm going to right-click and click on Download. So now it is preparing to download, and we will see the file on the bottom left corner. So once that appears, we're going to go ahead and click it, and then I'll walk you through the process of making sure to put it in a folder that we have created, our Video Basics folder that we created on our computer. So it is almost complete. Once that comes up, it'll pop up on the bottom left. If at any point it's taking way too long, the next best thing is to download them individually. All right, now that we have our file on the bottom left corner, you're going to go ahead and click on that. So it'll open it up. Now we do see our content in here, but what we need to do is extract all of it. So we're taking it out of that zip file folder. So then we're going to go ahead and click on Browse. And I'm going to go to my documents on the left-hand side here. And I'm looking for my Video Basics folder. So this is a folder that you should have created in your documents. If you did not do so, just make sure to click on New Folder and title it Video Basics with your last name. And later on, once we complete this entire project, then we're going to delete it and make sure that all of our content is once again saved on our Google Drive. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on my folder, and we're going to select folder. So now all of this content is going to go into my Video Basics folder, which is also located in the Documents folder. And I'm going to click Extract. Okay, so here's all of the content that I have here. I have my audio, I got my video, some images that I decided I want to use. I have two of the same image, so I'll just go ahead and delete one because I don't need all that. And we are ready to start in Premiere Pro.